So first off, we go with all queued up. This is our base layer, is a bold. So I do a bold as my base layer. So this is just salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, and actually a little bit of habanero inside too. So you get a little bit of heat, a little bit of savory heatness. This one's just a little bit of a light layer. So that's all I'll do for that one. And then you're gonna come in, all queued up sweet thing is my next. This one I go a little bit heavier with. This is my heavier coating on all my stuff. This one is a perfect sweetness rub. That it has a little bit of heat, but nothing overpowering. This is more of a sweeter side of what I'm trying to do. And we go with Smoking Hogs Rub. This one, I love Billy, and the color I get with these ribs is amazing using this product. So then just kind of go in, not super heavy on this one, but just enough where you don't want to be able to, you want to be able to see the meat, but you want it to be able to melt in, so you're not going to get a whole much. But now we're going to go into the little, where it's a little bit more complex for us. So there's no pecan on the bottom side. It's only spicy apple. So I want to get that spicy tone on the undertone. So your first bite, you get a little bit of sweet with a little bit of heat. And then on the top, I'm going to go with a little bit more of a nuttier flavor. So then you just kind of go, this one's not much. It's just a quick little dusting on it. And then just take your hand in, pat in. Now, those sit like that for 10 minutes before I flip them over and go to the next side.